Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, special events, and fun. I know that you enjoyed our video on dining on MSC cruises that we did during the inaugural sailing from Miami in December 2017. A lot has changed, and MSC Seaside, the brand new baby, is no longer so brand new. Her sister ship, MSC Seaview, has been out for a few months and is already making waves. So we went back on the MSC Seaside 8 months later to see how they're settling in and how they've gotten accustomed to charting the course throughout the Caribbean Sea. And man, what a discovery we had. She's fine. She's beautiful. She is an amazing vessel, and she has mellowed into a wonderful fixture in the Caribbean, doing Eastern and Western Caribbean every single week. And so we want to take you on a journey with us, looking at the seaside before and after. And you will see that there's so much to enjoy, so much to discover. The dining options are phenomenal. Hydrotherapy, the Himalayan spa, oh my goodness, it is mind-boggling. The wellness and the techno gym feature really top the scale. And the fact that you will be assigned a personal wellness advisor just by booking that wellness package, and you will have pre-done for you your workout outfits, and you'll even get complimentary laundry for your wellness workout youth outfits. It is just absolutely wonderful. MSC Seaside has stepped up the game. MSC on a whole is really bringing the Mediterranean experience into the Caribbean. So, who would we suggest are great clients for the MSC Seaside? I'm glad you asked. If you're looking for a diverse experience, if you look forward to meeting persons from different cultures, if you have little children and you really want a price break, then this is possibly the best bet for you. The kids club, the teens club, all of their different areas that take care of the little ones, allowing you some time for R&R or discovery, is really just for you, just for families. And so you'll never board the MSC Seaside without knowing that the little ones will be well taken care of, and at the same time they will never be underfoot. So you need to take advantage of the MSC Seaside right now. The yacht club awaits, and she is gorgeous. My suggestion: book your yacht club starting from the interior stateroom all the way up to the 2-bedroom suite. Book it now. The exclusive areas, the 24-hour butler service, 24-hour room service, the priority embarkation and disembarkation. They're just some of the wonderful things that make the yacht club special. It's a ship within a ship. It has its own private elevator and restaurant. You need to do the MSC Yacht Club. As we have gone through our review, we're really thrilled about this beautiful vessel. We loved it then, we love it now. We can't wait for the transatlantic that will take the seaside over to us and will have us doing Brazil in March 2019. So if you have always wanted to do Brazil, we are here for you with the MSC Seaview. And remember, this is a no visa required sailing for Jamaicans. We'll fly you into Panama and on into Brazil. The main areas in Brazil that you've always wanted to touch will be included in this sailing. And of course the Meraviglia. Oh, she's marvelous. and she'll be doing that Canada New England run September into October, and then from New York she will come down doing the ABC Islands all the way for a 13-night sailing. So we've got so much happening with MSC. And of course, all the way to 2026, there are new bills coming out. The Grandiosa is on her way. We could talk about MSC all day long, but why talk when you can book? Reduced deposits are still available just for you. So give us a call. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, your MSC cruise specialist. We're here just for you. Remember, you can reach us toll free from North America, 877-778-5436. You have a wonderful day now. Ciao for now.